This is Matthew Kratter's Bitcoin University. Today I want to make a video for complete beginners when it comes to Bitcoin. What's Bitcoin? Bitcoin is freedom money. It's digital money for 8 billion human beings, even for those who don't have bank accounts. And anyone can use Bitcoin by downloading a simple app on their phone. I really like the Bull Bitcoin wallet as well as the Aqua wallet. And I'll put links to these in the description notes below because the best way to learn about Bitcoin is to play around with it. Bitcoin allows you to send money to anyone in the world, and Bitcoin allows you to receive money from anyone in the world. No bankers, no permission required, and no high fees like Western Union or worries about exchange rates as you have to deal with when you're dealing with fiat money. If you've ever had your PayPal account frozen or you've had to answer 20 questions when you're trying to withdraw your own money from the bank, then you'll definitely appreciate Bitcoin. That's because Bitcoin bypasses the corruption of the current political and financial system and allows human beings to trade with each other. And Bitcoin doesn't care if you're young or old, rich or poor, black or white or yellow or brown. It doesn't care if you're Christian or Muslim or Jewish or Hindu or Buddhist or really none of the above. That's because Bitcoin is neutral money that anyone can use. Bitcoin is also the best savings account around. It's the best way to protect your family from the rising costs of food, rent, and everything else. That's because when you hold Bitcoin, your purchasing power goes up over time rather than going down over time like it does with fiat currencies like the US dollar. It's not just that everything's getting more expensive, it's also that the US dollar and other fiat currencies are losing their purchasing power while Bitcoin continues to gain purchasing power. You can think of Bitcoin as something like digital gold. Like gold, it's not issued or controlled by governments or bankers. Unlike gold, Bitcoin is really easy to send anywhere in the world in just a few seconds. Like gold, Bitcoin has zero counterparty risk, but unlike gold, Bitcoin has a fixed maximum supply. There will never be more than 21 million Bitcoin. Unlike gold, you can store Bitcoin in your brain and go anywhere in the world just by memorizing 12 words. And if you have those 12 words, you have your Bitcoin savings account with you, no matter where you live or travel in the world. Now that seems almost like magic to a non-Bitcoiner, but it's definitely true, and you should experience the power of it yourself, traveling anywhere in the world with money stored in your head. Many people have strong opinions about Bitcoin, whether or not they put in the time to study it. That's because Bitcoin is often quite counterintuitive, so I think it's definitely a good idea to do your own research and think for yourself when it comes to Bitcoin. Common questions about Bitcoin include things like, can the government shut it down? Is Bitcoin a scam or Ponzi scheme? Does Bitcoin waste energy? And you can find answers to these questions and other questions. This is a great website, endthefud.org. FUD just stands for fear, uncertainty, and doubt. So people have questions about Bitcoin, but this covers the energy angle. It covers all the many other different questions that people have about Bitcoin. If you have more questions about Bitcoin, you can also feel free to drop them in the comment section below and I'll try to answer them. You could also do a search here on my channel. I'll put a link to this in the description notes below. This is under videos and there's a search button here. So for example, if you're worried that Bitcoin's too slow, you could type in slow and see all these different videos about it. Any keyword there will work. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and also share this video with a friend. And thanks a lot for watching.